going to show you how to make no-fail white bread and dinner rolls with the same recipe. Don't care if you've never baked a day in your life, this bread right here is going to be perfect every single time. I'm going to start out with 2 cups of water. I like mine room temperature or warm it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. 1/4 cup of honey, and 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. I'm going to let that mixture set until the yeast is active, and you know it's active when it's kind of bubbly. Usually about 10 minutes. Then we're going to add in 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Do melt my butter, but I don't melt it until it's liquid. Start mixing my dough on speed 1 because I don't want it to go too fast, and then I make sure to clean the edges off and then start spinning it again. Let the mixer knead it until the dough is no longer touching the side. I like to knead it with my hands just 1 or 2 times to make sure everything mixed up. The dough should be soft but not sticky. You're going to let it set until it doubles in size. Sometimes this takes an hour, sometimes it takes 2 hours. It just depends on what your house feels like. Punch the dough down, which just means you're going to punch it 2 or 3 times to get the air out, and then we're going to throw it out on the counter. So we're making bread and rolls. We're going to split it in half. You're going to push your bread out into like a square and then fold it over on itself twice and roll it up. Then you're going to throw it in a buttered dish. Make sure you butter your dish or spray oil on it, or else this is going to stick. We're going to take the other pile of dough and we're going to make the dinner rolls. I like to fold mine over onto itself about 3 or 4 times until I get a ball. Both bread and rolls can go in the oven at 350 degrees, but you will take the dinner rolls out at 20 minutes and let the bread cook for 30 minutes. Make sure you rub butter on your rolls as soon as they come out of the oven because it's going to melt it down, and also put salt on it. The bread's finished. You want to put it on a cooling rack or else it's going to get kind of moist. The dinner rolls and the bread are so light and fluffy. Dinner rolls have never lasted through the night, but the bread will last for 1 week in the pantry. The recipe is in the captions. Let me know if you try it.